So I am reporting live from my bar to let you know you can do this ponytail in less than 20 minutes. If you got somewhere to go, get you a drawstring ponytail. Hey guys, it's your girl London and I am back with another video. And I just honestly feel like we just cannot be meeting like this all the time with my hair looking a mess. But I need a hairdo, I have a meeting to go to. So I bought this mega Brazilian Remy drawstring ponytail, y'all. And I am about to let y'all know how this turns out. So let's get started. So first I'm gonna go in and take out my edges. I think I'm gonna be dramatic with my edges this time, y'all. I normally don't, but I kind of wanna be a little dramatic. All right, so we got that taken out. I'm gonna put a little bit of my extreme. I'm gonna go in with some extreme today. So I'm gonna use a little bit of my extreme on my edges. And this is just gonna be to lay them out the way, not to really like lay them down right now, but just lay them out the way. Get them out my hairs. And the good thing about this is if you don't like your edges out like that, by being so short, you can always spritz it down and it'll blend right back in with the ponytail. So that's the best thing about having this part out. So once it's already in there, it's kind of hard to take it out. So you want to take it out now. Okay, so we got that part together, y'all. So this is how the hair looks outside of the pack. Like I said, it actually feels really, really nice. Like it's no shedding. I mean, to just throw on, like, yeah. And this is how it looks in the inside, y'all. It's very stretchy. I'm gonna use a rubber band to put my hair in a ponytail. And this is just the first ponytail. We probably do about 3 of these to get it like perfect. I'm gonna go in with my extreme gel. Got this from Target, y'all. And I'm just going to put this all over the front of my head and also the back. This stuff works really, really well for me. For my hair texture, it lays down all my hair. Okay, I'm gonna start in the back and I'm gonna start using my brush to brush my hair upward. Okay, so now that I have the back brushed, I'm gonna go in with my comb and I'm gonna now comb that up. Just trying to get those waves out. Y'all know I can't do nothing without my got to be glued. And with this, you could press your hands firmly on your head and that kind of keeps everything secured down, y'all. Using my blow dryer, I'm gonna go ahead and put some heat on the back. Now, I don't want my ponytail to be like stiff and crunchy. I want it to look more natural looking, I guess. So I'm not going heavy or crazy with the got to be glued. We're gonna do the same thing with the front of the ponytail. Just brush it down. Get everything together. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a little more extreme on my sides. Now, I'm gonna go back in with my spritz and just spritz the front of my hair. Using my comb, I am going to still comb the front of my hair to make sure that it goes into my ponytail. So what I'm gonna do now is just put my hair into a plait. This really doesn't matter because it's gonna be inside of that drawstring, so you can just plait it. Now I am going to lay my edges because I'm about to put on my headscarf and chill under the dryer for a little bit. And then I will attach my drawstring when I get back. Okay, I'm gonna spray it with a little more got to be glued. And I also love this spritz. It's the liquid mousse. It's the super hold spritz. I don't really use this as much. I usually use this when I get like plaits or micros, but this is a really good spritz because it doesn't leave your hair crunchy like the white bottle spritz. And this one smells so good too. And it don't leave that white residue in your hair either. So I'm gonna spray some of this. Like this little bottle is halfway and it lasted since last year. So just letting you know, you could do You could do a small bottle. You don't got to get the big thing if you don't need to. So I'm gonna tie my headscarf on and I will be back once it's dry. Make sure y'all tie this on super tight. Like this needs to be on there, y'all. Okay, y'all, so my hair is dry. I'm gonna put in some coconut oil on my hair, and that's just gonna give it some shine. And also, if you had any, white residue on your hair, it'll take it away. And now I'm gonna go ahead and install my ponytail. I'm just using that little bit of oil that I had on my hand to rub onto my ponytail. To give it a little shine. I don't want my ponytail to be looking, dry. What you're gonna do is, this is the front and this is the back. Going in the back first, I am going to turn to the side so y'all can see. I am going to use this piece to clamp in to my hair, my ponytail right here. Make sure it's in a secure place and it's not tight, y'all, because y'all can get a headache from wearing this too tight. Then I'm gonna go to the front. You see how loose that is? But that's okay, because that's why it has a drawstring. I'm gonna now clip this to the front part of my hair, like this. And then I'm gonna take the drawstring piece, which is this string, and I'm gonna pull it tight until I feel it's secure on my head. Once it's secure, you're gonna wrap it around, and then that's gonna lock it into place, basically. Y'all, that's so funny because I used to be roasting my aunties when they used to wear their drawstring ponytails. And I know they roasting me right now, like, girl, don't try to come for us. That is too funny. Y'all know things have a way of coming back in style. Now, it's up to you if you want to go the extra mile. I like to put a bobby pin in the back to make sure it's a little more secured back there, but that's up to you if you want to do something like that. Now, what I am going to do is I'm gonna wrap some hair around this ponytail to make it look as natural as possible, because you don't want this like sticking up like that, y'all. So you're gonna just grab the ponytail, get you a comb, basically put the ponytail like this, because you can kind of see the lump right there, and that's what you want to obviously avoid. So to do that, you can use some hair. Take some hair from the back of your ponytail, and we're gonna wrap that around our ponytail. Now I'm gonna continue to hold this up because I need to see exactly what I'm doing back here. Okay, so now that I have this wrapped, I am gonna go in with a little bit more of my Got To Be Glued. And that's just to lay down some of these flyaways. You can add a little bit of heat to that. Now I gotta change my earrings because I know my friends is gonna be like, girl, you got this cute little ponytail in with these little baby earrings on. So I'm gonna take off these little baby earrings and I'm gonna put on my big girl earrings, y'all. Because I feel like a ponytail, it's necessary to have these type of hoop earrings in. I feel like that always completes the look. Like, okay, what's up? This is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Like always, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Remember to treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself. Peace.